Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. Today's video is about how you can see message requests on Instagram. Watch this video till the end to know how. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss an upcoming upload. If you are not seeing message requests on Instagram, you will need to fix some settings. To do that, go to your profile. Now on the top right corner of the screen, click on the three lines, then click on settings. Now you can see there are a lot of settings that you can use. You want to go to the second option, which is notifications. Then from here, click on direct messages and calls. To get message requests, you will need to turn the message request settings on. If you have it turned off, you will not get any message requests from people not following you. To receive message requests, you'll need to turn it on. After you do so, if you go back to your home screen, then go to the direct message section. Now you can see on the requests panel, you can see the message request that has been sent to you. So those were the few easy steps to see your message requests on Instagram. I hope you guys liked our video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be soon back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.